What's up, Wayne Barron here with darkfakes.net, and we are inside of Adobe Edge Animate CC 2015, and we have ourselves a question. This one is coming in from Signy. I probably did not pronounce that right. And he asked, how do you play sprite sheet animation when button clicked, and then play it in reverse when the button is clicked again? Okay, Signy, this is what he is referring to. When we click on it, the animation plays, and then we click on it again, the animation plays in reverse. Okay, so with our project here, let's go ahead and save it. We're going to come back out to here. We're going to save this as 2. Save it, and then come over here to our library. We're going to choose our symbol, click on the plus, choose Import Sprite Sheet. Come over here, we're going to choose our sprite sheet. Now, we have one row, as you can see here, of animation within our sprite sheet. However, we have 4 different rows here. So we're going to come down here to the number of rows. We're going to change this to 1. So right here, we'll set all of them to 1 row. Now we have only 4 columns. However, we have 11 images. So we're going to come over here. We're going to change this to 11. And then, as you can tell, each one of our images is inside of a square by itself. So it has its own animation. Come down here to trimming options. We're going to set all these to 0 because we do not want to have no margins between any of our symbols. Then we're going to choose preview animation, and that is what our animation is going to look like. Let's stop it and let's choose import. Okay, let's come over here. We're going to right click. We're going to choose edit, and we're going to set this right here. We're going to move it to about right up in here. Click on our insert trigger. Choose playback, choose stop, and then double click that, and that will create our stop for us so that our animation will not begin. So let's go ahead and copy that stop, come back out. We're going to add a stop right here so that that is there. Then we're going to come and drag our animation into here. Now let's go ahead and let's get rid of this. We do not want to track our positioning of our animation. So it's going to start right up in there. So let's go ahead and click and choose play, and that is going to play. That is where our playhead starts. Then it ends right there. Let's come right here and let's click on the plus again and choose play reverse. Okay, and then that is going to reverse it for us. Now let's come over here. Let's copy our stop. We want to place this right here at the end here and at the end of here. Let's come right there. Let's go ahead and hit Control or Command L, and we're going to choose pull. Well, I'm sorry. We're going to change push for this one, and then we're going to do this one as pull. Let's go ahead and rename our symbol to flower. That way it's not something really long that we've got to try to remember. And now what we want to do is we want to add in an ellipse. We want to put our ellipse right over our flower. Go over here to the element, make sure that our ellipse is on top of our flower, and let's drop this down to about 24. That seems to be good. So let's go ahead and position this in the center, grab a hold of our flower, and let's also position it in the center as well, so that looks about good right there. Okay, so now let's come over here to our ellipse. We're going to click on open actions, click on click, and then we are going to type in the following: if sim.get symbol dot, and we're going to type in flower, and then we're going to do dot get position, and then we're going to do a less than, and we got to find out where we are at. So we are going to come to right here, and it's going to be 666 so people don't freak out on me. Okay, so we're going to type in 666, and then we're going to end it with our bracket, and then let's open up this one, and then we're going to do sim.play, and then we're going to do push. And we're going to come down here, we're going to choose else, and then we're going to do sim.play, and then this is going to be pull. And And let's come over here and add in the semicolon there. So this is what we got. If sim.getSymbol flower get position, if the position is this number right here, then we are going to, if it's less than this number, then we're going to do the push. If it is over that number, then we're going to do the pull. So then let's go ahead and save it and then run it and then click on it and then click on it again. And it is that simple to do. Really quick, very easy animation within Adobe Edge Animate for creating a sprite animation on a button click again. Okay, well, I hope that this answers Signa's question, and he had another one, so he's gonna have to give me some more information on that one. However, this one is done. Hope y'all had a good one. This is Wayne Barron with DarkFix.net inside of Adobe Edge Animate CC 2015. Y'all have an awesome weekend.